Okay, boys, now we have started. Okay, so from the last class, this is what we have been able to make on the contact page quiet. But as we were making the contact page, there was a problem. The link group has been shifted below. We want it to be next to the contacts, the form, and this one below. So what do? We have to look at the problem and fix it. So here, let me reduce the padding and see in the margin of the cards. Okay, margin, can I make it maybe 5 pixel? Okay, 5 pixel, then 2 pixels. What this means is that 5 pixel on top, 5 pixel below, 2 pixel on the right, the 2 pixel on the left. So let's see if it's going to fix the problem first. Okay, I think still it's not fixing because it's still small. Let's reduce this one and see. What is the padding? Okay, the padding, I want to make it 5 pixel. Let's see. Because I remember in the last class, it was because of the paddings. Okay, and let's look at the form. The CTN div, display flex, flex direction row, flex wrap. Let's make it flex wrap. Yes? No. Let's see now. Okay, so you see now, it is still not fixing. Even though we have wrapped it, but still not fixing. Let me remove this one. Let's check the links, weight of 23 pixels. And the main, let's see the main. Display flex direction row, justify content space between. Let's see. Okay, so I have to fix 70 pixels. What? Let's remove this now, save again. This 70%. Let's make it 65. Okay, I think the problem is not from the weight. Okay, that's fine. Let me reduce it again. Save. Okay, still not fixing. Let's see. I don't think that will be the problem. So let's put it back to the 70. Then we try again for different. Let's see. Still what? Yeah. Let's put the border around this city and the city. No, this city and div. Let's see, maybe if it is not around, okay, maybe it is not inside it is not found inside the contents. If it's not found inside the contents, it is going to dislodge it. So let's put 1 pixel solid red, okay, around it to see the boundary. Okay, see the boundary. So let's give it to the contents also. Let's give to the content border 1 pixel solid, red, save. Alaikum salam. Yes, it's within it. What? Who is this? Yes, I think it's within it. Let's add to this one and see. To the links also. We will check for the links. 1 pixel. Okay. Yes. Okay. So still, I think still the problem is not from. Let's find out. This div, next direction, go. Okay. Can I change this one? Let's reduce the size to 31. Again, 30%. Okay. Still not fixing for me. So now let's try the label. We gave a hover property to this. Could it be the form? The form was given padding, margin of 70 pixels. Auto. Let me remove this and see. Still, it's not the problem. So contents, the contents are 70%. Display flex direction row, justify contents. Okay, let me see the gallery. Okay, I think we can leave this one. I'll fix it later, then I will bring it in the class. Let's move to the gallery so that we will not waste time much. So let's move to the gallery and add some images there, okay? Inside the main, we want to have some images. So first of all, I will have a container and call it what? Image container, okay? Then inside the image container, I will have other divs, okay? And this one, I'll say image block, BKX for blocks. So here I will have some image here. Then I will say image one. Okay. Then I'm gonna have H1 tag. H1 tag here. No. Let me make H3. Then I'll call it the image name, okay? Caption. If you like, instead of the image, we can add caption, okay? Image caption. We say caption here. Save. Let's see. Now we have this. So what we will do is we will go to this site and find some image, okay? We will go to placeholder and try to find an image, okay? The image will be 200 by 200. 200 by 200. placeholder, this one. Okay, so I will copy one of this and paste. But before I copy, let me put the image before. Okay. System is so slow. What is this? Okay. Let me copy this. We will need 3 of them inside this. Okay. Right. We will put here H1 tag here and call it maybe graduation. Graduation. I will say 2020 graduation. So the pictures will be about, that will be the heading for the image. Okay, now it has come, but still the internet is so it's slow. That's why you can see that. So I'll copy this one. I'll copy from here and paste it from here and paste it here. Okay, boys. If I paste here, I'll change this one to 200. So I will save. When I come here and I refresh my browser, I'm going to get the image there, okay? But there should be, this is a caption. So we will add more of this. The image caption will come there. So let's come back to this. Where is the caption there? One boy is out when we come there. Okay, I have the image caption there, okay? Then instead of copying, let me copy this and repaste it there. Okay, paste, again, paste. So we are going to have 3 images. 3 images now, okay? Now, can you see that they are not aligned? Because we have to now arrange it. Okay, we can use Flexbox to arrange them in the same order, right? So what we will do here is that we want three images per line or 4 images. How many images do we want to have? 4 images or 3 images? Okay, so what we will do, let me add another one, make it 4 on a line. Again. So I'll paste again, save. Then I will have another image there. So you see that. So the images are not in order. It is up to us to start arranging them. So when I go to the style, okay, I will just label below here, okay? Below here, quiet, quiet, quiet. I want to make a comment here. And I will say gallery CSS, okay? All the CSS about the gallery will come below it. So what do we look at in the first place? So we go to the gallery, we have the image container is there. The image container, this one, we will call it and give it a style. We will call was it class, or I think it's class. So img container, okay. Then I will say display flex. When I display it flex, then I'll give the flex direction. Flex direction of the flex direction of what row. So when I save, let's see what we will get now. Still, we are going to have problem here because we didn't specify the weights. So flex direction, row, then we can say justify content, space between, okay, or space around. Right? Let's see. Okay. Now we have to call the quiet. We have to call the image container. So here, this one, we have to call this one image container. We gave it a flex direction. So I'll say img bks because it's a class. Now let me see here. Was this ID or yes, it's class. So here we come here. What we will give is say flex basis. Flex basis. We will say because we want to make 4. So we have to give it 24 points, maybe 2%. Okay. It means it should be okay. It should be able to. Okay, now I figured the problem. The problem here is that we did not link it. So here, if we have to go here in the gallery page, we have to link this one, okay? We have to link this here. I'll copy this one and paste it below like this, okay? And change this one to extra, okay? I didn't link the extra there. That's why it was not working for me. So now when I come here, when I refresh, now it's working, okay? But what can you see here? This one is going to be, it is taking, instead of this to be a block level, it's been on the same line, okay? So what we have to do here is that we have to call the image, this one, we'll call this like this, copy, paste it below. Then we say the IMG image of it, okay? The image, we will give it what weight of 100%, meaning it should take the weight of each container, right? So say 100%, then probably it's going to fix it for us. Okay, see that, but still we have problem with this. Yeah, instead of, okay, instead of, if we want to get a picture and put it there, you have to go there, here. Because I don't want to just be putting pictures there, I just want to place hold. If you go here, this place, this, the source, SRC, okay? In your folder, there is IMG folder like this. If you go here, like this one, if you go to this, your images will be in this folder. So now if you want to link it, assuming you want to link it here, okay? In the SRC, like I want to put another image here. Okay, I want to put it here. I'll take it off. When I do this, in the SRC, you have to say IMG / the name of the image and dot the extension of that image. JPG, PNG, TIF, any of the extension you put it. Okay. So I will remove this one here. I don't need it here. But the problem here we are having is that the images are now floating, okay, with this one. So let's check where is the problem. Here I have H1 here, okay. The image container, you can make it 100%. Yes. Let's see. Let's see if you make the image container 100%. Okay. Then it's going to be 100% of its weight. But because what the problem we have here is that it is a block level, and why is it not doing that? So what we have to do is to clear. If you like, we can clear both. Okay, we can put a div element here, div. We can put a div element here. Div. Yeah, 3 minutes. No, 2 minutes. After 3 minutes, I finish this one. Okay, this in this div, let's fix this one, then we go. So I will say style is equal to then I'll give what clear both and see if it's going to fix for us. Right? Let's see now. Okay. Okay, I think there is problem with some. Let's check this.
So how you do it?
The div, this main here. Let's see in the main style. What do you call in the? You said the main. Oh, we gave the image to float left, so it's applying from there. So what we do, we have to be specific here. We have to be specific. We want to be specific with the image. Okay. Okay. Now, and we will end the class here. In the next class, we will fix this problem. Okay. So that is the only thing that we need to add. Then we will finish this. And I think this is the grade 10 A1. We just finished. We finish everything. This is what we want to achieve. This is what we want to achieve with our own, like this.
Then we can change the color.
Yeah, photos. What?
We can change the color like we want it blue.
Yeah, you change the color like we have changed it now. This one is not an image. We have to go there. When you go to the placeholder, there is a place we can change the color there. Okay, this one. If you pick any of this, they'll give you the color.
Yes.
Okay. So now, what do we do now? Okay, what we do? In the next class, we will try to fix it and make it look like this. Okay, this is grade 10 A class. Okay, almost 10 B. We have been able to finish. Okay, this is how we want it to be. We want the links to float here. Then we have the form and what? The address. Okay. Then when you come to the services, we try to even add what more things from there. So in the about page, so we are almost done. Okay. For the 10B, we are done with them. Okay. But the 10A is what we are still on it. So in the next class, I will remove all these borders. Okay. Then we try to fix this one here. Then when we come to the gallery also, we try to fix this one down, right? Okay, any question? Okay, see you in the next class. But let me take attendance.